Welcome to the Chiefs Arena. This is the latest Kaizer Chiefs transfer news. As Kaizer Chiefs put a price on Tlhodi Lilepo, we are also going to talk about the latest on Langelihle Phili. Before we start, make sure you smash a like and subscribe to the channel if you are new. So let's start with Tlhodi Lilepo. Seems like Kaizer Chiefs are ready to sell him. He obviously wants out. He's not with the club for the preseason. And according to Kickoff magazine, Kaizer Chiefs have slapped a 16 million price check for him. Now I'm hearing some people saying, okay, this is good business. Now let's take this money and pay Stellenbosch for Langelihle Phili. No need to include Ashley Dupree and Kevin Simango in that deal. Bro, for me is why can't we have both? Like, why can't we have both? I look at this situation last season. I felt like we needed two wingers. Yeah, we needed someone who was going to compete with Tlhodi Lilepo there. Now we are selling our best winger, our best forward to make space for a new signing who's a top player, make no mistake. But how many players have failed at Kaizer Chiefs? What if it takes Langelihle Phili, what, 3 or so months, to get up and running at Kaizer Chiefs? We are left now with Pule Modi, who's given us absolutely nothing over the 3 seasons. We have Asanele Velebai, who's clearly not ready. What happens then? So for me, we should be keeping Tlhodi Lilepo and signing Langelihle Phili. That's how it should be. If we were an ambitious club, that's what we were going to do. That's what we were going to do. We are not in a financial crisis. We don't need to sell players in order to sign players. We don't need to sell players in order to sign players. We are Kaizer Chiefs. Yeah. Do you think Sundowns says, oh, let's sell Oprimudiba and sign Fawaz Basadi? No, they keep their best players and add more quality. That's what we should be doing. Not this buy to sell to buy model. We shouldn't be operating like that. We are a top club. We can afford these players. So for me, this is not a great thing, man. This is not a great thing. Sacrificing our best player for to sign a good player. I want Langelihle Phili badly at the team. But for me, we should be signing him to compete with Tlhodi Lilepo, not to replace Tlhodi Lilepo. So I don't know, man. I don't know, but yeah, he's definitely leaving. ASFA are interested. They are pushing. He also wants out. So yeah, maybe that's what makes this difficult. The fact that he wants out, but we don't care, mate. You are still contracted to Kaizer Chiefs. So whether you want out or not, if the club decides no, you are not going anywhere, you are not going anywhere. I've seen Sundowns doing that a million times, where a player will hand in a transfer request and they're like, "Nah, fam, you ain't going nowhere." And all this. Oh, if if he stays, um, if his heart is not there, he won't play at his best. Piece off, piece off. Tlhodi Lepo has 1 year remaining in his contract. Is it one? Yeah, one. So he will have to perform at his best. Why? So that the interest in him cannot drop. So all these he won't play well and this and the other. I don't care. Yeah, there's no such. There's absolutely no such. So yeah, let's see what happens, man. On Tlhodi Lilepo. Now let's move to Langelihle Phili. Now I am getting worried, fam. I am getting absolutely worried. I am getting absolutely worried. What's going on? Where's the official announcement? Personal terms agreement? What's going on? And I am hearing that Orlando Pirates are sniffing around. They are considering making a move for Langelihle Phili. Young Africans from Tanzania are interested. So this is far from being done. This is far from being done. Of course, Langelihle Phili still holds all the cards. He prefers a move to Europe, and so far there's nothing on the table. So if anything happens, man's going to Europe, and we are going to miss out. So for me, I'm sitting here, I'm like, we knew last season yeah, that we needed a winger. And then we waited till the second week of July in order to make a move for Langelihle Phili, knowing very well this was never going to be an easy deal, knowing very well Stellenbosch were going to ask for a fortune, you know, but then we still dragged our feet. So now, okay, we've reached an agreement with Stellenbosch. What happens now if a team from Europe tables an offer and personal terms, club to club agreement is done, Langelihle Phili is gone. Meaning we've wasted what, 2 weeks negotiating this deal only for it to not to happen. So we've wasted time. We've done our business late. We've done our business late. The league is what, 15 days away from kicking off. We've only signed two players. Only two players. We had I think 4 or 5 positions to address. We've only addressed two, which is the second choice goalkeeper and the left centre back replacement for Aiden McCarthy. No defensive midfielder, no attacking midfielder, no right winger, no left winger. This transfer window has been a disgrace so far. It's been a disgrace. We are only left with two preseason games, and we are going to start the season with literally the same squad as last season. Literally the same squad as last season. If Clearly Lepo is to leave, yeah, and somehow we don't manage to sign Langelihle Phili, what happens? We now have to go out there and make a panic buy, a panic signing. So we should have made our business long time ago, and cut me all this crap. Or they weren't going to sign players before Fernando da Cruz. Thabo Mloisane was signed before Fernando da Cruz. So it's something I'm not even trying to hear. Yeah, and just because Fernando da Cruz was not here, what, 15 or so days ago, that doesn't mean he wasn't in charge with the sporting director, with the scouting department and all that. So he knew everything about the ins and outs of these players. So don't tell me, oh, they were waiting for Fernando da Cruz or this and that. There is absolutely no such. There's absolutely no such. And okay, you might look at this and say, okay, the transfer window only close on the 21st of September. But by that time, we would have had played 7, 8 league games. 7, 8 league games. That's a lot. That's a lot. So man, we are too late. We've done our business late, and um, that's not a great thing. It's never a great thing. You should do your business as soon as possible. But yeah, let me know your thoughts down in the comment section. Thanks for watching. I am out.